Hi, welcome to the QBAR Insights channel. It seems you were looking for some support on QuickBooks Advanced Reporting. If yes, then be assured that you have landed at the right place and we are incredibly pleased to welcome you. We got everything you will ever need to discover the insights of your own business. 1. Check out our free videos on this channel. They're better than others' paid ones. 2. We got ready-made templates for you on our website, which you can download and use instantly. 3. You can hire us to build the customized reports for you which suit your business precisely. 4. Our services also include consulting to help you if you're stuck somewhere while building reports by yourself. Subscribe to our channel to be in touch. We keep uploading new contents frequently. Subscribe to our mailing list on our website. You will get free reports and 25% discount on the first downloadable report. Once again, welcome to our channel. We hope you will make us your partner to discover the insights of your own business.